What is a solution? The term solution is used to describe a system in which one or more substances are homogeneously mixed or dissolved in another substance. Components of a solution: solute, the component that is dissolved, while solvent, the dissolving agent. Yan lamang ay ilan sa mga examples of solutions, pero ang ating titignan ngayon ay ang simpleng salt dissolved in water solution. So sa solution na ito, ang solute natin ay ang salt, while ang ating solvent ay ang water. Kapag pinagsama ang salt and water, nakabubuo ito ng homogeneous mixture at ito ay tinatawag na saline water. Pero ano nga ba ang homogeneous mixture? Well, it is a mixture in which components are uniformly distributed throughout its volume and cannot be seen separately. Ilan sa mga examples ng homogeneous mixture ay blood, honey, milk, and medicine. Dahil nga hindi na natin nakikita yung mga iba't ibang components nito dahil naging isa na itong solution o mixture. Meron ding mga solutions sa ating katawan at ito ang ating saliva, gastric fluid, lymph, synovial fluid, tears, blood, urine, at marami pang iba.